Third place, Jamduar team. Runners-up, Kajolgaon. Our champion team, Kasugaon. Boy Cover. Zangni backdrop di Kachao. Tabaina Pina Kaulaibai. Official referees of today's match. Gasai Cover, Pitang Munko. Pina Kaulaibai. Mari. Hamento Bodo. Kanak Bodo. Zangsar Bosumutari. Somor Goyari. Shamdan Bosumutari, Dhananjay Bosumutari, Monindra Urao, Tanak Bosumutari, Nabajit Bosumutari, Ridoy Brahmo, Rabi Goyari, Sike Brahmo Narjari, and Habibullah Fardos. May I request our Honorable EM Sports Daubai Saboro to felicitate our officials with Bodo traditional Aronai, one by one. Third place ni, Zenga Zom Duart, Hanzako Tabina Pina Kaulaibai. Okay. Thank you, Honorable EM Sports Daubai Saboro, sir. Now the third place, Jamdua. And in this connection, may I request Honorable Speaker, BTCLA, Srijut Katiram Boro, to hand over the trophy along with medals to the third place, Jamdua team. And also, I requested our Honorable EM Ranjit Basumutari to hand over the check of rupees 50,000 to the team Jamduar for the third place. They are kai khop na nei her boy ba. The third place for the Bodoland Cem Cup 2025, the team Jamduar. Honorable EM Ranjit Basumutari, sir. Thank you, sir. And also, I request Mr. Katiram Boro, Honorable Speaker, BTCLA, to hand over the third place trophy to the team Jamduar. Honorable MLA Ziron Bosomotari also joining, the local MLA from Gosaigao and Jamduar apart. Thank you, Honorable Speaker, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, now the best player. And in this connection, may I request Honorable EM Sports Daubai Saboro to hand over the trophy, and also may I request our Hemendranath Brahmhosar to hand over the check of rupees 10,000 to the best player, and it goes to Sir Mandang. It goes to Jersey Musari from the Kasuga. From the team Kasuga. The best player of today's match, council level final competition, Bodoland Cem Cup, Urkhao Musahari, jersey number 6 from Kasugao. And wildcard is ready for the upcoming Bodoland Cup. Thank you, both the honorable sir. Ladies and gentlemen, again, the best goalkeeper. The best goalkeeper will receive check of rupees 10,000 by Dr. Sangram Brahmo and will receive trophy by Pratibha Brahmo KMB Chairperson. May I request both the dignitaries for the presentation and the best goalkeeper. It goes to jersey number 24, Gola Brahmo from the Kasugao. Bodoland FC is waiting for the Bodoland Cup. Mr. Gola Brahmo. Thank you, sir and madam, for presenting the trophy and check of rupees 10,000 to best goalkeeper to Gala Brahmo. Thank you. The runners-up trophy. As you know, the runners-up team, Kajelgaon. In this connection, may I request Honorable MP Jointu Basumutari for the handing over the trophy. And also I request Jigme Tinlen Namgyal, Consul General, for the presentation of check of rupees 1 lakh to the runners-up team, Kajelgaon. To the runners-up team members by MP Jointu Basumutari. The runners-up trophy to the Kajelgaon team by Honorable MP Jointu Basumutari. And check of rupees 1 lakh by Jigme Tinlen Namgyal, Consul General of Bhutan in Guwahati, Assam. Thank you, sir, for presenting the trophy and check. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, last but not the least, now trophy. And may I request Honorable Cabinet Minister, Government of Assam, Srimati Nandita Garlosa, to hand over the trophy and medals to the champion team. And may I request Honorable Mathop Chetri to hand over the check of rupees 1,50,000 to the champion team. Srimati Nandita Garlosa, Sports Minister, Government of Assam, presenting the trophy to the champion team Kasugao, and Honorable Mathop Chetri will hand over the check of 1,50,000 And Kosugao, local EM, Sir Ukil Musahari also joining here. And TCLCC chairman, Thomas Bosumutari also. Here with the team members, team coach, team manager, and our local active leader, Somnath Narjari, GV Yaha hai. Now the champion trophy to the champion team by Srimati Nandita Garlasa and checked by Srijut Madhav Chetri. Hip hip, hip hip, Are Kasugao, hip hip, hip hip, hip hip. Huge congratulations to the team champion Kasugao for lifting the champion trophy.